Welcome back to Lavanya's computer classes. In this video, I will explain degree of a undirected graph. Degree of an undirected graph. So, what is undirected graph? What is undirected graph means any graph, this is a graph, any graph without any directions is called as undirected graph. That means there is no direction. We can travel from any vertex to any vertex without any direction. For example, here vertices are 1, 2, 3, 4. We can travel from 1 to 2 as well as 2 to 1 also. So, this is called as a undirected graph. Now, I want to find out degree of an undirected graph. So, what is the meaning of degree? Degree means the number of adjacents. The number of adjacents are incident on a vertex is called as a degree of vertex. Degree of a vertex. So, the degree of a vertex is represented with DEG. DEG of V. Degree of V is represented like this. So, what is the degree of V in this example means first you have to calculate degree of 1 because here the vertex sets are V equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So, degree of 1 means how many adjacents incidents on the vertex V, that means have number of edges from the vertex 1. Here 1 is there, 2 is there, 2 edges are coming to vertex 1. So, the degree of 1 is equals to 2. Similarly, degree of 2. So, here vertex 2 is there. What is the degree of 2? Here how many edges are coming to from 2? Vertex 2. So, here one edge is there and one more edge is there. So, degree of 2 equal to 2. Similarly, degree of 3. In this example, degree of 3 means, so here also this is the one edge and this is the one edge. 2 degree of vertex 3. So, it is called degree of 3 is also 2. Similarly, degree of 4. Degree of 4 means here one edge and here also one edge. So, degree of 4 is equals to 2. So, like this we can calculate degree of vertexes, and this is the example of degree of 2. So, here in this example all vertices degrees are same. So, that is why it is called as a regular graph. So, when we call graph is a regular graph means whenever the degrees of all the vertices are same, it is called as a regular graph. Now, we will explain some more examples of degrees of a graph. For example, here like this, and this is the graph. Here A, B, and this is the C. Okay. Now, I want to find out degree of this graph. So, how many vertexes are there? So, first I find out vertex set. Vertex set is represented with V. So, the vertex set contains A, B, C, 3 vertices. So, now I want to find out degree of A, degree of B, and as well as degree of C also. Okay. So, what is the degree of A? Degree of A means how many adjacent edges are there for A. So, that is 1, 2. So, degree of A equal to 2. Similarly, degree of B. So, what is the degree of B? Here only one edge is there. So, degree of B equal to 1. And then degree of C. Here degree of C, here one edge is there and this is called as loop. So, what is the loop means source and destination both are same place, that is called as loop. Here if you see here it is travel from vertex A to vertex B. It is an undirected graph, that means it is travel from either A to B or B to A. If it is A to B, that means the source is A and destination is B. But if we coming to here, the source place and destination place both are same. That whenever destination and source both are same, that is called as a loop. So, if any graph, if the graph contains any loop, then we consider degree is 2. So, here in this, so means any loop. If the graph contains loop, then consider its degree is called as degree is considered is 2. So, here it is a loop. So, degree is 2 and this is also 1. So, totally it is called as what is the degree of C means 3. Is it clear? Because C contains one loop, loop means 2 and it contains one more edge. So, totally degree of 3. So, like this we can calculate. In this example, degree of B equal to 1. whenever in any graph degree of any vertex is 1, that is called as pendent. In any example, any graph, degree of v equal to any 1, that is called as pendent. So, here one more example, I will go for one more example. I will take some simple example for a graph. This is the graph, and here and D. Okay, here. So, here A, B, C and D also. So, how many vertex sets are there? Means vertex sets are contains 4 vertices A, B, C and D. So, calculate degree of this graph, degree of A. So, what is the degree of A? Here 1 edge and here 1 edge. So, degree of A equal to 2, and similarly degree of B. Degree of B means here 1 edge and here 1 edge. So, degree of B equal to 2, and go for degree of C. Degree of C. So, degree of C means here also 1 edge and here 1 edge. Degree of C is equal to 2, and degree of D. So, degree of D means here there is no edge, it is totally different from that graph. So, degree of D equal to 0. Okay, this is the calculation of degrees. So, here degree of D equal to 0. Whenever any degree of any vertex degree 0, that is called as isolated. That is called as isolated. Okay. So, in this degree of undirected graph, any degree of any vertex, degree of vertex is equal to either it is 0, degree of vertex is 1, vertex of 0 is called as isolated, any degree vertex is 1 is called as pendent, and degree of all vertices, degree of all vertices are equal, then it is called as regular graph. Regular graph. So, like this we can calculate degrees of undirected graph. Okay. Now, we will give some example, try at home. This is the graph A, B, F, E, this is C. Now, find the degree of each and every node. So, thank you for watching my video.